Today we're going to look at 5 more Sui ecosystem meme coins with upside potential that I've been asked about in the comments of my last video where we covered Blub, Oddcat, FUD the Pug, and a couple others. I'm also going to show you a new tool that I have talked about in past videos, but it's upgraded significantly since, and I think will be helpful for sure if you're interested in trading Sui meme coins. If we take a look at TradingView, you can see that Sui touched an all-time high again this weekend at $3.94. More attention is being paid each day to Sui ecosystem meme coins, which is why my focus is here at the moment. Please note, nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Meme coins are extremely risky. Please do your own research. So the first one we're going to take a look at today is Liquor, L-I-Q. I usually like to take a zoomed out approach when looking at meme coins just to see where the overall trend is. So typically I'll start with the day and then move down to 4 hour and 1 hour and so on. But you can see that this thing has had a huge run up in the past, all the way up to about 7.5 million market cap. Currently sitting just under 3.6 million market cap. Let's copy the contract address and let's go to Sui Vision, which I think is the top explorer for the Sui ecosystem. I'm going to paste in the contract for Liquor. We'll take a closer look here so you can see Liquor, total supply, and I always like to look at the holder count. So this has 13,452 holders. That's a really nice number, and it's been around for over 5 months. I typically want a meme coin to be around for at least a couple months before I'm going to decide to jump into it, but again, everybody has their own strategy. I typically like to see something that's been around for a little while. Next, I'm going to go to insiDex. I did a video on this about a month ago. This is a really good free tool that they continue to improve on, and it's now super useful in my opinion for Sui meme coins. So we're going to use this in our analysis and add it to our progression. All right, so Liquor is right here. It's one of the featured ones. You can also search for it here by pasting the contract address, just like on Sui Vision. So you can see you have all the info up here: market cap, 24-hour trades, trade volume. You can buy and sell right through the insiDex platform. If we click on coin holders, it's going to pull up a bubble map of the top holders for Liquor, top buyers, top sellers, and most profitable. This tracks the most profitable wallets that have traded Liquor. But the main thing I like to use it for at the moment right here is security checks. If you click on this, so this is going to give you all the key info that you really need to make sure that the token you're looking at is safe. Let's take a look at their website. Liquor be water, be liquor, my friend. Welcome to Liquor, the meme coin that's here to bring the party to Sui. The concept behind Liquor is simple. A liquor is like water with a fun twist, but it can bring huge liquidity to the ecosystem as people love it. Our goal is to bring more fun and build meme culture on Sui. So a really good looking website, very clear mission, 100% fair launch, which is great. Total supply. So website looks really good for Liquor. Taking a quick look at their X profile. Be Liquor, my friend, new era of meme on Sui. They have over 7,000 followers. Looks like they have a token buyback going on right now. Let's check this out. As we prepare for exciting collaborations and campaigns in the coming months, we're launching a buyback initiative starting November 1st with 20K USDC. This will help us build a robust treasury for future airdrops. Stay tuned for more announcements. Navi's made a V-Sui Liquor pool, so that's cool. Reposted 18 hours ago. They posted this 22 hours ago. So good art, active. Like to see that. Another thing I like to do is search the ticker symbol. So let's click on Liquor. So I'll start with top and then scroll through, just kind of get some sentiment what crypto Twitter is saying about Liquor or whatever meme coin I'm currently looking at. So you can see here's one November 15th, November 18th, waiting for Liquor breakout, November 13th. And then I'll go to latest just to see how frequently it's being mentioned and scroll through this just to get an idea. So that's always a good thing to do as well. Finally, let's take a quick look at their Telegram. So 2,400 members, almost 2,500, 288 online. Scrolling through their Telegram quickly, it looks pretty active. Positive sentiment, so that's what we want to see. Good vibes all around. This is one I can see doing really well if we do see massive volume come into the Sui meme coin ecosystem. All right, next we're going to take a look at AXOL, and this one has been on fire for the last few days. Really, since the beginning of November, it started this uptrend, and it reached a market cap of around 25 million, pulled back just a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and copy the contract address, and we're going to go to Sui Vision, paste in the contract. Take a closer look at AXOL here. You can see it has almost 12,000 holders and it's 1 month, 25 days old. So I like that. It's been around for over a month. The Sui meme coin ecosystem is just kind of taking off. So really anything over a month right now that continues to show signs of life is pretty good. Let's go to insiDex and let's see if it's in the featured. It looks like it is right here. It's actually in the second featured one. So let's go ahead and click on it. So looking at AXOL, we're going to go ahead and click on coin holders and we'll take a look at the bubble map of the top holders for AXOL. The more decentralized, the better in terms of not having one wallet hold the vast majority of the supply. So this looks pretty good. You can also go through and then take a look at top buyers, top sellers, and the most profitable wallets. Let's click on security checks. Safety checks over here, everything looks good. I like to see that the initial LP is burnt as well, which in this case it is. Total supply burnt, again, that's really project dependent, whether that's part of their strategy or not. So I don't put a lot of weight on that. And then amount supplied in the LP pools, and anything over 5% is really good. This is not a red flag to me personally, but I guess the one thing you could say is maybe you want to see that a little higher. Over here you can see the largest buyers past 24 hours, largest sellers. Let's check out their Twitter account. Meet Axel, the cutest amphibian on Sui. This is a nice little how-to video, really how to get started first with Sui and then how to buy. Good content that's helping onboard new users. Axel is absolutely sending. This is by Jake, and I've noticed, yeah, 326,000 followers. I've noticed some big Twitter accounts reposting Axel, so a lot of activity on their feed. So definitely an active Twitter account. Big players in the space are taking note of it and talking about it, which is typically a good sign. So really good looking website. Meet Axel, the cutest amphibian on Sui. Axel is more than just an adorable mascot. It's a symbol of innovation in the crypto space. Our project is built on Sui blockchain, offering users a fun and engaging way to explore decentralized finance. Join the Axel community and dive into a world where technology and blockchain shape the future. How to buy. So really clear instructions here, which is good. Again, onboarding new users. How to swap. Let's check out their Telegram. All right, so Axel on Sui, almost 2,900 members. Let's go ahead and join the group. So their Telegram looks fairly active. That's another good sign. Lots of buys coming through in the buy bot. Volume's been very strong for this one. So if I was looking to get an entry on this, what I would do is go down to the 4 hour. Then I would take the fib retracement tool right here and then kind of eyeball where you think the run up started. So we'll just say like right here and then go to the top. And then typically like to look at the 618, this area, for a pullback. I'd look for an entry though, personally, somewhere right in here around the 19-20 million. But Axel looks like a good project, very promising, and one I'm going to keep my eyes on for sure. Next, we're going to take a look at PugWifHat. So you can see this thing ran all the way up to about 5.3 million market cap, currently pulled back a little bit. Let's go ahead and copy the contract address here. Then let's go to SuiVision. Again, this is just what I like to do personally. Everybody will have their own way of analyzing meme coins. This is how I like to do it. Mainly I like to go to SuiVision to see the holder count real clearly, right? This one has over 8,100 holders, 2 months, 6 days old. Let's take a look at it on insiDex. It is in the featured, so let's go ahead and click on PugWifHat. So once again, let's take a look at coin holder bubble map. Here's a bubble map of the top holders of PugWif, and let's click on security checks. So if we look over here at safety checks, this all looks really good. Amount supplied in liquidity pools is over 9%, which is awesome. So everything here looks really strong. Let's take a look at their X profile. The pug that doesn't quit, the biggest CTO on Sui. So this is a community takeover. It looks like there's a Puggies NFT collection coming soon. Just scrolling through this, good art, very active, solid, transparent, community driven, and Sui champion. The Puggeteer is here. The blue Sui hat stays on, right? So obviously a play on WIF from Solana. Looks like they also have a PugWif Telegram trading bot. Website looks really good. About PugWifHat, resurging from the ashes of a premature rug, arose the pug that doesn't quit. His message is clear. He won't stand for scams. The Sui ecosystem now rallies behind this unsuspected hero. All he has is the resilient spirit, a blue Sui hat, and the support of the whole community. So good story, community takeover, where to buy. It's on all of the Sui ecosystem dexes and so on. So checks that box. Good website. Purpose of time, I won't go through Telegram, but I know that they are active. It looks like you might be able to get a good entry on Pug as it's pulled back a little bit. Let's grab the fib retracement tool. Just start at the bottom where it ran up, eyeball it to the top. And so here's the 618. So this one currently is right at the 618. So decent entry right here if this is one that interests you. But solid project, community takeover. PugWif is definitely one I'll keep my eyes on. Next one that popped up in the comments is Nami, Suinami. Let's take a look at this one. Currently on a pullback right now, but the volume looks strong. Let's take a look at the holder count. Let's copy this. Let's go to SuiVision. Click on Suinami. So again, I like the name Suinami. Fits well. Ticker's good, Nami. 4,600 holders, and this is 1 month, 14 days old. Let's go to insiDex, paste in the contract address, and click on Nami, and then let's click on security checks. So everything over here in the safety checks looks really good. Take a look at the largest buyers past 24 hours, largest sellers. Take a look at their Twitter profile. Suinami, the first Shiba Inu on Sui, 3,500 followers. Looks like they have a community built out as well with 216 members. So if we scroll down, let's take a look at how often they post. 2 hours ago they did an X space, which is good to see. 7 hours ago the wave is upon us. Can you feel it? So their X profile looks pretty good. Let's take a look at their website. Nice looking website, where the power of a tsunami meets the playful spirit of surf-loving Shiba Inu. This isn't just another token, it's a tidal wave of innovation on the Sui blockchain, surfing through the crypto market with unparalleled speed and agility. Suinami, it looks like they've since changed their ticker They got to update the website. It represents the fortune of nature, the world of digital currency. So Suinami looks like they have zero tax. So it looks good, very interesting. So Nami's one I would keep my eyes on for sure. Again, I would wait for it to pull back maybe a little bit more if this was one I was looking to get an entry on. Again, let's use our fib retracement tool. Let's just eyeball where the run up started. Let's go to the top, and here's the 618 you can see right here. It's very close to it. So personally, I would let it pull back a little bit more if this is what I wanted to enter. So Nami, again, I like the name, I like the ticker, and I will keep my eyes on this one. Last one, we have to take a look at the OG Sui Meme Coin, Sui Soon. This is one of the original, if not the original Sui Meme Coins. I believe it is the oldest one, Sui Soon. Ticker symbol HSUI. Looking at the daily chart, you'll see overall this thing has been on an uptrend. It's dipped recently, but it did reach a market cap of over 11 million at one point back in March. Currently sitting around a 3.6 million market cap. This is one that could potentially be a sleeping giant, as it is one of the original meme coins on Sui, has a strong community, as we'll take a look at in a minute. Let's go ahead and copy the contract address right here and go to Sui Vision, paste it in. They're approaching 10,000 holders, and this is 10 months, 19 days old. One of the original Sui meme coins. If we go to Twitter, see it says the legendary beast, number 245, an official mascot of Sui, 4,400 followers. I like this post here. The year-long disrespect of Sui's official mascot ends before we turn 1 year old. Looks like the Sweeps are going to be a hand-drawn dynamic NFT collection dropping soon. See, they're pretty active on X, and it's good content, so it obviously checks that box. Good looking website, nice and clean, simple. The tokenomics are clearly laid out. Here's the supply, 0 buy sell tax, which is great, and 100% fun memes. Take a look at Telegram, 1,956 members. So this is a really good sign, super active community. This is one that I'm potentially looking to accumulate around these levels and hold for the long term, with the thesis that more and more volume is going to come into the Sui meme coin ecosystem. Sui Soon is definitely one to keep an eye on going forward. So definitely check out insiDex. In addition to helping with Sui meme coins, there's a ton of other great information out here. Let me know in the comments if you hold any of the coins I talked about, and if so, why. And then also, if there are some other Sui ecosystem meme coins you want me to cover, let me know. I'll take a look at them, and maybe we'll talk about them in a future video. It's a crapshoot, but what we're doing is trying to go through progression to give ourselves the best chance for success. It often pays to be early in crypto, and I feel like it's still early within the Sui meme coin ecosystem, which is why I'm going to continue to focus here going forward. If this was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.